very well, one of the active and industrious senators of this session is yours truly. I even asked, he asked about Wate, I was asking about Kapsabat Stadium, and the CS was here. So if the clerks, and I will demand the following, Madam Speaker, before you rule, because one is what Senator Okongo Omogeni has said. I will demand that an IT audit be done, because what happens in this house, when there is a disruption of live stream, they applaud. Number two, I have had my senior, under Article 180, it is a constitutional matter, saying that it is an issue. It is an issue because when he speaks about the railway going to Kisii and Nyamira, those people in Nyamira cannot come to the Senate, all of them. They must follow somehow. And by the way, Madam Speaker, for his information, Kenya has the highest access to internet in Africa, followed by Nigeria and then South Africa, Madam Speaker. While I agree the issue of railway, which I want to, I saw Honorable Matiang'i discussing, I want to ask Senator Okongo Omogeni if he's gracious enough. I'm willing to go with him to State House. We sit with the President. We ensure that the SGR, Madam Speaker, passes through Nyamira and Kisii. Because, Madam Speaker, can you protect me from the senior council? Can you protect me?
Madam Speaker,
Cherargei,
can you finish your submission on the earlier points?
Correct. That is why I'm saying, if Senator Senior Councilor Okongo Omogeni is saying Article 118 should not be a priority, I want the people of Nyamira and Kisii to see when Senator Okongo Omogeni is saying that the railway should pass, it should be in public, Madam Speaker, and that is what I'm arguing. Finally, Madam Speaker, I will be demanding through your office that the IT audit be done of the system, and even the OAG can do it, Madam Speaker, you know very well. Because what happened, if there was internal disruption of live proceedings, Madam Speaker, it will affect, and I know Parliamentary Broadcasting Unit will upload the answered later. So my argument is, under Article 229, the Office of the Auditor General can do the IT audit of the Senate answered, so that my assertions is very correct, because at least Senator Wambua has said there was internal disruption of the proceedings, which is a serious matter, contravening Article 118. But to appeal to Senator Okongo Omogeni, who is a member of ODM and a broad base, I will go with him to the State House. We'll solve a small matter of ensuring the SGR passes Kisii and Kisumu, Madam Speaker. So, Madam Speaker, I raise my case and I request for favorable ruling on this matter. I know it's an administrative issue, but it is very critical for the country, because these proceedings should be open and accessible to public through any platforms, either physically or online or through TVs, Madam Speaker. And we thank Kenya Broadcast Corporation, KBC, for tirelessly ensuring that proceedings from Parliament are accessible to Kenyans across the country through KBC. I yield back, Madam Speaker, and request the Senator we can go to State House after this.
Honorable